Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a blur background effect. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So there's two different scenarios. It's either you're inserting a new object into a different picture and you want the other picture to be blurry, or you want one thing in a picture to not be blurry and everything else to be blurry. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do both of these things now. So what you're going to want to do is for the first scenario of inserting something in a photo. So now that I've inserted my thing into this photo and I want everything else to be blurry but this thing, I'd click on the background or the other layers, and then I could go to filters, and then there's focus blurs, and then you can turn up a focus blur and well, okay, let me go ahead and redo that. Filter, blur, focus blur, and you can move it to wherever it is that you currently need it, and then everything else around that's going to be blurred. So I'll use a focus blur for this, and you can turn it up and down, but as you see, I got mine turned up, and then now everything is blurred around it. Or the other scenario where you have something in a photo that you want to blur out but nothing else. If I was you, I would use my free select tool, but for this, I'm just going to use a rectangle tool to kind of show you how it works. So now I can Control C, Control V. I'll just create a new layer, and then so you see if I were to delete this, now this layer is a thing. So now that I have this background layer and something above it, which in your case should be a free select, but in my case I just did the rectangle, and then I go to my colors and then my blur, my colors, my filters, and then my blur. I could do a focus blur and a bunch of other cool stuff, or I could, if I wanted it to be different, I could do filter, do a blur, and just blur the whole thing. And then as you see, if it was free selected perfectly around my character, then everything else would be blurred besides my character. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.